Hey dudes, this is Zach from visionswell.com, products and principles for a simple, serene life. Today, we're taking a look at my work EDC kit. This is the everyday carry I use in my work bag, and it provides me with just enough tech and little accessories to get through my day. And in case I get into any kind of trouble or I need to recharge a device or I need bubble gum or something like that, I have everything I need in this little pouch. This is the double-decker mini pocket organizer from Maxpedition. Just like the other Maxpedition pouches I've reviewed recently, this one is made of a durable nylon material that's weather resistant. It has a mesh pocket on the front with a little Velcro attachment so you could put flatter items in here like a piece of paper, documents, something small. Because when it's loaded out, you can see it gets pretty beefy and there's not a lot of room in here. There's the little hook and loop pattern here where you can attach morale patches to your liking. I just have the Ronin Maxpedition patch here. It's a morale patch that I really like. It's got a samurai on it riding a horse with lots of little nice details on it. It's made of rubber. I really love the patches that they make. They're of superior quality. On the back side, you have 6 MOLLE attachment points if you wanted to attach something to this bag or you wanted to attach this pouch to another bag. And also this beefy carry handle that's stitched very nicely and is super durable. Then on this double-decker one, you have 2 sections with double YKK zippers with paracord zipper pulls, super high quality zippers and very high quality zipper pulls. Really easy to open and close, even one-handed. And that's pretty much it for the outside of this bag. So let's take a look at what I have it loaded out with. In this first compartment, you can see I just have a writing utensil. This is just a cheap Papermate pen. I always personally need something to write with, to jot down notes, to write down my phone number, email address, to write down, little journal entries that I want to keep throughout the day. Always like to have a pen on me. Then I have these adapters here. The first one is USB-C to USB Mini. I know USB Mini is kind of being phased out, but I still have a couple devices that use it that I don't necessarily want to get rid of yet, so I have to keep a way to charge them on hand just in case. And then attached to that, I have this Anchor SD card reader. It reads both the larger SD cards as well as the micro SD, and it has a USB-C interface. So this is really great for my laptop if I want to load things from an SD card or save things to an SD card, as well as my phone. So it's just a good little backup to have extra storage on you and a way to interface it with different USB-C devices. Next up, I have a little emergency 16 gigabyte Memorex thumb drive. This is just a USB-A thumb drive, and it can hold 16 gigabytes of storage. And it's just great for like documents or small things that you might need to keep on hand with you in an emergency. So you could keep, backup passwords, your backup documents, make sure they're encrypted, and keep everything on here just in case, or if you just need to quickly swap small files between computers. Then, attached to this key leash here, I have a Gerber dime. The Gerber dime has all kinds of different tools inside. You've got a nice little blade here. You've got a box opener. I mean, you could potentially use this as a can opener even. It's pretty sharp. But yeah, this is great for opening boxes. And then a nice pair of scissors that cuts really well. You have a smaller flathead screwdriver with a file, and then you have a larger flathead screwdriver or pry tool as well. And then on the inside, you just have a nice pair of pliers, needle nose pliers, and wire cutters, and they're spring loaded. So for its size, this thing can get a lot of jobs done. And in my everyday work, I don't really have a ton of things that I need to do with this, but just in case, I like to have it on hand. And I like that it can attach with the little key leash. There's also a bottle opener here, and it just keeps really nicely in this little pouch. Then in the back here, as I've mentioned in many videos, is my Write in the Rain notebook. Because I have a writing implement, I always need something to write on. And these are waterproof pages, so if they get wet, they're still legible. And these are cheap little notebooks. And yeah, you can just use them to jot down whatever notes you may need. Phone numbers, email addresses, notes to yourself, to-do lists, anything like that. I always find a reason to write in here, so I try to keep these in like every pouch or backpack I have in the house. Then the last thing on this side is this little puck. This has a USB-C as well as a lightning side and allows you to charge your Apple Watch from either a lightning cable or a USB-C cable. I typically use USB-C cables. I don't really use lightning anymore, but it can support both in case someone else you know only has a lightning cord and they want to charge their Apple Watch. This is great, super small, fits anywhere. On this side, we have this charging cable that I've described before. It has a little rubber cap on it and it can go around a keychain. It's very small. It's held together with magnets. And you have a little lightning end, USB-A, and then 2 USB-C ends. With this, you can pretty much interface with most technology these days. So I really like to keep this on hand. Again, like I said, I don't really use lightning anymore, but if I needed to, or I was running out of cords and I needed to charge my Apple Watch with lightning instead for whatever reason, it gives me a lot of options. Fits nicely together, has this little cap on it, and it stays in this neat little package. Then I just have some double mint gum. I mean, you can use whatever kind of gum you want, but I like the slim form factor of these little gum packs. And just in case my breath is stinky and I'm talking to clients or other coworkers, I have gum on hand to freshen my breath when I need to. Then I just have this little Energizer pen light in case I'm looking in a computer or I'm looking inside somewhere or I drop something in a dark area under the desk. I can just turn this little guy on. It's not many lumens, but it's just enough to see what you need to see. And yeah, it's super compact. It fits into a pen slot, and I like to have this on hand. Then the last thing in these elastic loops is my Cicaplast Hydrating Restorative Lip Balm. My lips get super dry, especially this time of year because it's winter. So I always have to have lip balm of some kind on hand just in case. You never want chapped lips. They hurt, they're uncomfortable. So highly suggest keeping chapstick or some kind of lip balm on hand. Then something I simply can't live without is my Sony wireless earbuds. These are Bluetooth compatible. They charge on a USB-C port. They're the perfect size for my ears. They fit well, they sound great, they have noise cancellation. So highly suggest you pick up either these or the over-ear versions. I have both. It just depends on my needs and how much space I have in my bag. Lately, I've been going with the in-ear earbuds because they just take up less space. And if I'm doing personal item only travel or something, space is at a commodity. And for my work bag, I'm kind of in the same boat. So I really like to have these little guys just to use them when I need. And then moving to the back of the bag, there's this large open compartment here. I don't really have anything there. I use it more to make up some of the volume that the bulky stuff takes up in the other pocket, so it kind of bulges into there. And then the last thing I have in here is just a MagSafe Anchor charger. You can also charge with a USB-C cable if you want some fast charging, but if you just want to stick it to your phone and put it in your pocket, you can do that. I've had this for a couple years, and I really, really love Anchor devices. And this also has a little stand on the back that magnetizes here so that you can lay your phone or set it up to watch movies, turn your phone to the side, whatever you might need. This little Anchor charger is a great thing to have. Like I said, I wanted to keep this kit super simple because it's just what I put in my work bag. It's just what I need every day for work. It's not like I don't have access to stores and other materials when I'm at work, so I don't need to have absolutely everything in here. But these little things definitely help me out in a pinch, and I found a use for all of them. Also, I really like this Maxpedition double-decker mini pocket organizer. I've gone through a lot of Maxpedition pouches recently, and I just keep buying more of them. I really love them. I love them as a brand. They're high quality, durable, and I can kind of set up each one for specific situations and keep it in a cabinet so that when I need them, I can just grab it, throw it in a bag, throw it in my car, and they're ready to go. I'd love to know what you carry in your everyday work bag or your EDC pouch. So if you want to leave that in the comments below, I could definitely talk about it. If you have any other suggestions for pouches or what I should carry in here, please let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.